Aloha everyone, welcome back to our Sweet Feet Yoga Minis. I said aloha because we're going to be doing our Movie Monday today, and we're going to be doing Moana. I know that is a big favorite in a lot of my, a lot of our Sweet Feet Yoga classes, right? Especially the tots and the tykes and the kids. A lot of you love Moana, so we wanted to bring it to life through yoga today. So we're gonna start with a mudra. So Moana is surrounded by water. She lives on an island. She is in a boat a lot of the time during the movie, right? So we're gonna do water mudra. Water starts with a W. So the water mudra actually is like the number 3 or a W. And you have your pinky and your thumb touching. And you put them down. So the backs of your hands are on your knees. And our bodies are made up of a lot of water. So you can either imagine the sound of water or all the water flowing through your body. So it's up to you, but close your eyes. Take 2 nice deep breaths. And just imagine. Bring yourself to the ocean or to your favorite body of water. Good, and then let it go. All right. We will show you our Moana pose in a minute, but when she first goes on her voyage, she has 2 little sidekicks that are animals, right? The first one is Pua, and that's her adorable pet pig. So we're gonna get on our knees. There's a breath for like pig breath, and it's kind of tricky, but I want you to give it a try, okay? So you take breaths out through your nose, and it actually makes your belly even move a little bit. So you're gonna breathe in and do quick breaths out through your nose. Good. It's kind of like a pig. It's like snuffing around, right? They like to blow out when they're snuffing around in the grass or in the mud. Try it one more time. Breathe in. Quick breaths out. Good. So that's going to be our pig breath or our pua breath. All right. But pigs also love to roll in the mud. All 3 of us can't fit on here to roll. So can you log roll, you guys? Can you turn sideways? There, like Nella. There you go. And you roll in the mud. This is actually a really good one too. It actually calms you down if you're feeling really anxious or even upset. Rolling in a log roll is helpful. So you can be like a pig rolling in the mud. All right, so that's Pua. She also has a funny little rooster friend named Hei Hei. And he actually goes on the voyage with her. So you're going to stand up. I want you to be on the balls of your feet, so almost on your tiptoes. Put your wings back here. They like to stick out their chest. Roosters do. And they walk around like this. Let me see your rooster walk. Good. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yep. Good. So that would be our Hei Hei pose. So she has Pua and Hei Hei. Pua stays back on the island, but Hei Hei goes in the boat with her. So we are going to show you our Moana pose. Okay, she's our hero of this story, and we're going to do Warrior 1 for her. So you're going to step forward with 1 foot, bend your front knee, turn sideways a little bit so you can see, and your other foot is back. And you're going to reach up. Good. And she's brave and she's courageous and she has to be adventurous too, right? I like this pose for her though, because from here, she can be on the front of her boat and she can be looking. She's out searching. She's trying to save her island, right? And she can also be rowing, right? Good. Let's try the other side. Good. So stand up tall. Be brave and fierce. Good. Search around and row. Row and row. Good job. And what is she rowing in? A boat. Yeah, it's like a boat or a raft, right? I think she's in a boat right at first. So let's do our boat pose. I want to see if you can balance in your boat. Can you balance? Let's sing row, row. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. So she goes out. She's just with Hei Hei. That must have been an interesting voyage, right? But she finally finds the demigod Maui, right?
The storm leads her to it.
Yeah, the storm leads her to it. So we're going to be Maui. Maui is big, right? He's very muscular. And he likes to show that he's muscles. Can you show your muscles? Good. And he also likes to stand there. Once he finds his magic hook, right? Magic fish hook, he likes to hold it like this, right? So this can be our Maui pose. And does he want to help her right away? No, he does not want to help her right away. But finally, they get into a boat. Let's do another boat. We're going to do a sailboat this time because he teaches her kind of how to sail. So you're going to open your feet up wide, turn your toes to the front, open up, and come down in a triangle pose. I'll do it sideways while you guys do it to the front. And this could be their sail on their boat. Good. Come on up. Toes parallel. Turn the other way. And go down. rainbow sail?
I think mine would have a yellow sail.
A yellow one. What would yours have, Ty?
A blue sail.
A blue sail, yes. All right, so they're out on a voyage. They have a lot of obstacles they have to go through. It's kind of like us right now, right? We have a lot of obstacles we have to go through right now while we're all at home. And actually all through life, we all have obstacles. We all have to face them, right? You have to face your obstacles. So on their little voyage, they come upon these little coconut pirates, right? Yeah. So they have to be strong. Go into Warrior 2 for that one. And fight off guard yourself from the pirates. Good. And then hop together. Out of the way. They also had to guard themselves away from flaming arrows. We can actually pretend to shoot some arrows. Good. And the big one that they had to get past was the big coconut crab. Was it Tamatua?
Yeah.
Tamatua. Yeah. So coconut crab, we're gonna come into our squat. Make your pinchers. And this crab, he likes shiny things, right? So Moana has to distract him while he's singing his famous song and reaching for shiny things, right? So I want us to breathe and reach up for shiny things. Pinch, 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 and come back down. Do it again, reach up. Pinch, 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 and down. All right, well they finally get past all of that, right? But then they have to face the volcano, right? Or it's really Te Fiti, right? And she's angry because this whole time they've been trying to bring her back her heart, right? So let's do volcano pose, just because even when there are islands anyway, there are always volcanoes. So I want you to stand up tall in your mountain pose. Breathe in. Imagine that you have lava. Keep your eyes closed, but imagine you have lava, warm, coming up your legs, from your toes, up your legs, up your body. Breathe in and out. We're gonna explode. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Good. One more time. One more time. So stand really tall, like you're stuck to the ground like a mountain. Close your eyes. Feel the warmth of the lava from your toes, up your legs, up your belly, up your chest, to the top of your head. Breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Good. Well, finally, Moana has to figure out on her own how to give Te Fiti her heart back, right? So let's get back into our Moana pose and make a heart mudra right here. So you can do it with your tops of your fingers coming together and your thumb. Good. And she helps Te Fiti find her identity again, find who she is, just like Moana's been figuring out who she is. So bring your heart out and give it back to Te Fiti. Good. And everything's all good again, right? All right, so let's go ahead and reach up and breathe in and breathe out. Good. Shake it all out and come back down. Good. Well, just like Moana, we all have obstacles, like I said, and we have to make sure we're strong and we're brave and that we face them, right? Yeah. So we have to believe that we can do that. All right. Well, I challenge all of you to now go find your favorite Moana song and go have a little dance in your kitchen or basement or in your bedroom, wherever you want to. You can pick your favorite one and have a little dance party. All right. We're going to say peace. And I looked it up on how to say it in Hawaiian. Maluhia?
Yeah,
Maluhia. Yeah. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. I know I looked it up and I listened to it a few times, so I believe that's how you say it. So we're going to say that 3 times and peace 3 times. Ready? Maluhia, 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 and peace. Peace, peace, peace. Namaste. Thank you for doing yoga with us today.
Bye.
Bye.